When our bodies show warning signs, doctors don't immediately resort to invasive exploratory surgery. Instead, we use non-invasive MRI scans to get a clear picture of what's happening inside. An MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, is a medical technology that uses strong magnetic fields to generate detailed images of the body without surgery. Large commercial buildings and massive roofing systems require these exact same kinds of preventative health checkups to identify small issues before they become structural failures. But for decades, the industry-standard diagnostic tool for these properties hasn't been a high-tech scan. It's sending a human being up a 40-foot aluminum ladder to walk around the roof and guess where the problems are. Relying on manual human inspection for massive structures is like performing blind surgery. It is a dangerous, inaccurate, and outdated way to manage a multi-million-dollar asset. The physical risk is high. Workplace falls from ladders cost U.S. businesses $24 billion every year. For the individual on the ladder, these incidents often result in irreversible human harm. Even when the climb is successful, the human eye frequently misses what matters. A person walking a roof can easily miss trapped moisture, microfractures, or failing insulation hidden just beneath the surface. But imagine if your building could receive its own MRI. You could achieve perfect structural clarity without anyone ever having to leave the ground. The old method forces property owners to choose between physical safety and structural knowledge. Today, that compromise is no longer necessary. A commercial drone is a high-resolution diagnostic lab operated by FAA-certified professionals safely from the ground. The Federal Aviation Administration is the government agency that strictly regulates commercial airspace and pilot licensing. By keeping human feet firmly on the ground, the risk of a catastrophic fall claim drops to zero. This is the core safety principle of no ladder, no liability. Compare the financial stakes. A single manual inspection fall claim carries a direct cost of nearly $50,000, whereas a drone flight is a low-cost operational expense. Insurance carriers value this shift. Switching to drone-based inspections eliminates that liability variable from the balance sheet entirely. Prioritizing safety is a highly leveraged financial strategy. It removes a massive risk variable while delivering superior data. The real power of the drone is its diagnostic payload, which sees beyond the human visual spectrum using advanced thermal imaging. To the naked eye, a vast commercial roof may appear perfectly healthy and structurally sound, but the thermal reality is much more serious. This heat map reveals a hidden anomaly, a massive pool of trapped water beneath the surface, invisibly destroying the insulation. This thermal data acts as an early warning system, detecting micro-vulnerabilities months or even years before they manifest as a visible interior leak. Aerial sensors replace human guesswork with objective scientific measurement, making the invisible threats visible. This data functions as a financial time machine, allowing property owners to fix tomorrow's disasters at today's prices. Spend $500 to repair a hidden leak in month 1, or wait for the bottom branch, where the ignored leak causes a $100,000 roof replacement at month 12. Proactive data severs that timeline, transforming a massive capital expense into a controlled repair. Using preventative data shifts a company's maintenance profile from reactive panic to planned efficiency. Routine drone flights compile over time to create an undeniable, time-stamped digital health record of a property's exact condition. This historical data provides the evidence required to prevent insurance companies from denying claims for pre-existing damage after a major storm. Providing carriers with an irrefutable pre-loss baseline can accelerate claims processing times by up to 60% while eliminating subjective adjuster disputes. Many insurance carriers are now rewarding this proactive, high-resolution documentation with lower overall property premiums. Objective documentation shifts the balance of power during an insurance claim from the carrier back to the property owner. There are also significant tax and accounting benefits. Utilizing a prepaid annual drone inspection retainer can transform a reactive repair cost into an immediate, tax-deductible business operating expense. This strategy allows businesses to prepay for 12 months of service and deduct the payment immediately under IRS guidelines. A professional drone program provides a coordinated layer of physical and financial defense for the property owner. These services allow owners to protect their property's value and their operational budget while keeping people safely on the ground. Stop guessing, give your property the checkup it deserves, and choose to see more so you can risk less.